Tired of hefty fees and slow processing for your U.S. domestic money transfers? Wise's ACH feature is your game changer, and I'm here to show you exactly how easy it is to use. Traditional bank transfers, especially wire transfers, can be a drain on your wallet and your patience, but with Wise ACH, you unlock a faster, more affordable way to send money across the United States, all from the comfort of your device. First things first, open the Wise app or log into your account on their website. You'll want to tap or click on the Send Money option, usually prominently displayed on your dashboard. Now select USD as the currency you're sending, and then confirm that the recipient will also receive USD. This sets up your domestic transfer within the US. Next, enter the exact amount you wish to send. Wise will immediately show you their transfer fee, and you'll notice how it stacks up favorably against traditional methods. It's transparent and upfront. Here's where you tell Wise who the money is going to. You can either select an existing recipient if you've sent them money before, or tap Add New Recipient. For a new recipient, you'll need their U.S. bank account details. This includes their bank's name, their U.S. routing number, and their account number. Make sure these are entered accurately to avoid any issues. Now, for the crucial step, choose your payment method. You'll see an option like Bank Debit, ACH, or Pay from your U.S. bank account. Select this. This is what leverages the ACH network. Before you finalize, Wise will present a summary of your transaction. Double-check the amount, the recipient's details, and the fee. Once you're happy, confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your money is now on its way. Using the efficient ACH network, you can track its progress directly within your Wise account. It's a simple, low-cost way to manage your domestic finances with confidence. Happy sending with Wise.